guys, it's me again, Raiza Rommel here, and yeah, today's vlog is I am going to show you
what's in a day in my life. So yeah, first thing first guys, I am going to drink warm water, a glass of warm water, since I have my period today, so I cannot drink lemon with warm water. It is not good for your blood circulation, I guess, like that. So yeah, so after I'm going to drink my water, my warm water, I am going to prepare my green tea. So stay tuned guys. So let's drink 1 glass of water, warm water, not cold. And of course guys, before you drink or eat something, you have to brush your teeth first.
The second is I'm going to prepare my tea. Since I woke up late every Friday, my day off, so I used to wake up 12, 11, 12 like that, and yeah, preparing my food to eat. So for lunch, actually brunch, it's breakfast and lunch. So yeah, here's my tea. Preparing my green tea. So I drink a normal green tea. Yeah, so that's all, no sugar added. Bless me. Just let it warm. Yes, I don't remove the tea tag, so yes guys, I just keep it like that until I finish to drink that. And then yeah, I like to taste the really green tea taste. So yeah, and the second thing, and now I'm doing my laundry. So yeah, doing my laundry guys, I separate the light color, so you can mix with the light, you know. So yeah, guys, so doing my laundry, this is light color. So I have only manual washing machine. Yes, but I do banlaw inside as well. Cooking sinigang, beef sinigang. So yes, luto na po siya.
Guys, pagkatapos ko lang maligo at ayan, nakapagpulbos na ang bruha. Ang aking rice. And inainit ko ulit yung aking nalata na yung gulay. So, sabaw, beef sinigang. And mag-fish din ako ulit. So, ayun, with this one. Fried squid na. And one fish. So, ayan guys, ang aking lunch. Ayan, isang fish tapos squid. Yan yung tinanong mukbang ko dati. Tapos yung sinigang na baka. Tapos meron tayong toyo, suka dyan. Mangga. Ayan, para sa usawan. So, rice. Let's eat lunch. So, ayan guys, ay kakain na muna ng aking lunch. So, ito ang
So yeah guys, that's it. Ayan, higop tayo ng sabaw. So ayun. Mangga. Okay guys, babalikan ko kayo. Kakain muna ako. So ayun guys, katatapos ko lang kumain. Ayan. Buto-buto na lang yung baka. Ang lambot niya kasi. Mula kahapon ko pa siyang pinakuluan. And yan, simot ang gulay. Ay, ang sakit ng ulo ko guys mula pa kahapon hanggang ngayon. Dahil siguro sa regla. Tapos, unti lang lumalabas. First time kaya nangyari sa akin to. So, ayun. Nakahigop ng sabaw. So, at least nahibsan yung aking sakit ng ulo. Kahit medyo, meron pa siya. Nakaya lang. Kaysa maghiga ka dyan, di ba? Mas lalo kang magkakasakit. Imbis na sakit ulo lang. So, lahat ng buong katawan mo sasakit. So, yeah. This is my life here. Kahit day off, so kailangan mo pa rin gumising ng ng tamang oras kasi tamang oras 11. Gising na po ako nung 6 o'clock. Gising na ako pero nakaidlip siguro ako ng 8 o'clock ulit. Nakahiga lang. Then bumangon ako 11. Yun. Dahil yung aking beef kasi kahapon ko pa pinakuluan. And nung sinalang ko siya, so pinakuluan ko lang. After that, lagay ko lang yung mga gulay. So tapos na. And sinaing ko kasi yung aking kanin, syempre yung ating super rice cooker, malaking tulong dahil madali ang yun. Then prito, isang pritong isda lang. Hindi ko pa naubos kasi may gulay tapos yung kinain ko yung squid. Isang squid na lang natira. Ang sarap kasi. Hindi siya maalat. So this is my life here in Bahrain. So tapos na tayo mag-ayos ng bahay. Magpupunas na lang ako doon sa may ng TV. Tsaka lampaso.
So yun guys, katapos ko lang kumain. Yan na lang natin. Ay! So yan na lang natin akong ulam. May baka pa dun sa may sinigang pa ako dun. Ayan. So, simot. Kunting sabaw na natin.
Yun guys, tapos na ako kumain, tapos na rin ako maglaba, and tapos na rin ako maglinis ang aking bahay. So ayan, as you can see, ayan, maglinis na ang aking bahay. So pwede na ako magpahinga.